celebrating their birthdays today. All right, this one's for you, the famous birthday segment.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Birthday daw, sabi ni Mr. Singh. Single to iisa ang ngipin. Single to. Okay, ito na, mga famous na people. This is being brought to you by Royal Duty Free Shops. Let's make Christmas more special. Join the Playground raffle for a chance to win an iPhone, PlayStation 5, and more. Okay? So, syempre, for every purchase yan, you bring your receipt to the customer service counter to find out kung nag-qualify ka for a raffle entry. I think for only 1,000 pesos na every single receipt, no? Meron na kagad. Bonus e-raffle entry for every 2,000 worth of products from participating sponsors. May bonus na e-raffle entry, ha? Okay. For every, hindi 2,000, for every 200 lang pala. Basta participating products, no? Basta 200 lang. May bonus ka pa na coupon. Okay? So that's cool. Marami yung mga prizes na na kasama or kaakibat. Kaakibat is the word. Sa paraffle na to, meron ding electric scooter, may cellphone, may smartwatch. Mahirap pag may smartwatch ka, pag suot-suot mo yun, tapos mas matalino pa sa yung smartwatch, mahirap yun, Kunyari, kakanan ka, magsasalita yung smartwatch, hoy, mali, dito sa kaliwa yung daan yan, siyo nga. Sabihin sa'yo ng smartwatch, no? Tapos may bibiling ka sa grocery, kinocompute mo yung yung price, kung magkano total babayaran mo. Sasagot bigla yung smartwatch. Mali yung addition mo. Ulitin mo. Smartwatch. Okay, so here we go. Famous people celebrating their birthdays today. One of them is Junmar Pajardo of the PBA. Ayan, nakaraming na to, no? Through the years of playing sa PBA, nakarami na ng championship, nakarami na ng MVP awards, di ba? All right. He was born November 17, 1989. And we have Alvin Patrimonio, also of the PBA, former PBA superstar. Well, he's still a superstar, pero he doesn't play anymore. November 17, 1966. And speaking of athletes, eto pa, isa sa mga bago nating young blood athlete na to. Marami ng representation sa Pilipinas na ginawa ito, na nagbigay ng karangalan. Ernest Obiena. Ernest Obiena is an athlete, pole vaulter. Yung nagpa-pole vault. Alam niyo yun? Yung may stick na mahaba. Di ba? Tatakbo ng matulin. Pag malapit na sa bars, bigla niyang idudut-dut yung stick. Tapos dahil sa momentum niya, aangat siya ngayon. Kailangan malampasan niya yung bar na nakaset. Na mataas yun, no? Alam niyo, parang ang hirap-hirap gawin niya, yung pole vault na sport niya. Parang ang hirap, no? May napanood ako dati, di nag-pole vault siya, no? Na-clear niya naman yung bar. Kaya lang, nung pababa na siya, on the way down, sumundot sa puwet niya yung stick na gamit niya. Nagkamali ng bitaw. Nandoon pa rin sa area na babagsakan niya, nalalandingan niya. Nandoon, yun. Sumabit yung puwet niya, Ang sakit nun. Pag sa akin nangyari yun, ganun kahaba na stick, tapos sumundot sa puwet ko, tatakbo ko sa CR, iiyak ako. Iiyak ako sa CR. And that, my friend, is how you can tell you're not gay. Success. You're not gay. Dahil nung tumama yung bolt, yung pole dun sa behind mo, umiyak ka eh. So, yeah, you're not gay. Next up, we have happy birthday also to movie actress Rachel McAdams. Beautiful Miss Rachel McAdams. She turns 47 today. Ayan. She's in, a lot of movies already. Marami na. Pero nalilinya siya sa mga romantic comedy, di ba? Like The Notebook. Grabe yung The Notebook na yan, no? Lahat yata ng babae pinanood yan, eh. The Notebook. Maraming may gusto niyan, eh, no? Ayan, The Hot Chick, Mean Girls, Midnight in Paris, The Time Traveler's Wife. Dami na. Aha. She's also with Doctor Strange. Ayan, okay. Also, happy birthday to Danny DeVito. Ayan, superstar Danny DeVito turns 81 today. TV show host RuPaul turns 65. Rock singer Jeff Buckley was born November 17, 1966, but he passed away in 1997 already. Alternative rock musician who drowned in 1997. His only studio album, Grace, was released in 1994. Okay, yung pinaka-sumikat niyang song was, well, The Last Goodbye. And Everybody Here Wants You. Okay? Next up, we have happy birthday also to TV actor Tom Ellis. Turns 47 today. For those who don't know who's Tom Ellis, he is Lucifer. And he plays the role of Lucifer in Fox. Ayan, Fox yung carrier ng ano eh, ng Lucifer. Okay? Critically acclaimed director Martin Scorsese turns 83 today. Happy birthday to you. And movie actress Zoe Bell turns 47 today. Another TV actress, Adriana Camposano. And lastly, Dylan Walsh turns 62 today, movie and TV actor. He's on the crime show Blue Bloods. Okay, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, November 17 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You. Thank you, Mr. Singh. Mr. Singletooth. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you November 17 birthday celebrants. Kayo naman, you guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Let's do birthday shoutouts. Give me the names. Give me the names. Mga pangalan and whoever. Okay, let's do shoutouts. For the meantime, while I wait for your message, you guys can also text me, ha? Anything and everything relevant that you wanna tell me. Kahit hindi relevant, bahala kayo. Baka may gusto kayong pag-usapan natin, ha? Alright, that's as simple as we do our program. Ganun lang kadali, di ba? Hindi kailangan maging komplikado. Gusto yung pag-usapan natin. May tanong kayo, sagutin natin hanggat kaya. Wala namang kailangang tamang sagot lagi sa mga tanong, di ba? Minsan correct minus wrong pa nga, eh. Minsan ano lang yan, true or false lang, tapos correct minus wrong. For the meantime, since it's Monday, let's play this song. Music coming from the Bangles from 1986. This one's called Manic Monday. This